Okay, you guys, today we're gonna do a little project. We're gonna do a little crafting. We're gonna upcycle this necklace. As you can see, it is a bib necklace. I love the design, I love it. But as you can see, the color is starting to fade off of it because it's not real gold, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna upcycle it and I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna use it today. I bought this Teach Well blouse. I bought it because I love the print on it, guys. And it's a giraffe print. So, guys, I'm almost finished with putting this fabric on this necklace. Of course, you know I use super glue. So I'm just going in on the last parts of it, putting glue, and so I can get finished with it. All it was is a pretty paste and cut and paste. I cut the fabric, I put it on the necklace, then I just glued it down. Simple, and I put a clamp on it to hold it. I just, cut, didn't do nothing extra. It's just a regular, blouse, t-shirt, $1. So yeah, this is the end result, you guys. Just cut and paste, period. Anyone can do it if I can. Yeah, that's the end result right there. I think it turned out pretty good. I hope you guys like it. Leave down in the comment section what you would have done differently. This was my first time doing it, and I enjoyed myself. So yeah, a bib necklace turned into a giraffe print necklace. I love it. Okay, guys, I am back with the finished look of the upcycled necklace. Okay, y'all saw the video. I had no clue of what I was doing, but we made it work, okay? So this is the finished look. We put fabric on the necklace, and we used the rest of the fabric to make a wrap for my head, okay? So this is a look that I probably will wear for Black History Month. I could wear it anytime, really, but I think I'll wear it this year in 2025 for Black History when we do a little get together for Black History. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you guys, don't pass up prints that you love, fabrics that you love if you are a crafter, because you can always upscale those upcycle those things into things that you love or the print that you love. One thing about it, you're gonna always be original. You're gonna be authentic because no one will have on what you have on. Okay, because you created the look yourself. So this is and I know people do this all the time, but for me, this was my first time. Okay, so I have a little strip of fabric left. Now, if I wanted to put this on something else, I could. I have earrings, you guys. That fabric would be so cute on a pair of earrings, okay? It would be. And this is just enough to do 2 pair of earrings. If I wanted to upcycle this ring, I have plenty enough fabric to upcycle this ring. If I wanted to do a headband, I have enough fabric to do a headband as well. Just whichever one you decide to do, and wear it like that. If I wanted to, my bracelet, which is vintage, but it's broken right here. But if I wanted to take and make it a bracelet to wear, I could just upcycle the bracelet like so, and make a bracelet out of the print. Their options are limitless, just this here. Say, for instance, I'm not wearing this anymore. I don't want to wear it anymore. I could always take and make a cozy for a Yeti cup or whatever. If this your style, you can do so many things with fabric. And if you know how to sew or glue, hot glue or whatever. I also picked up these necklace, thrifted for $2. If I wanted to change this portion of the necklace right here, all I have to do is upcycle this necklace and change the look of it right here. It's so easy. And if I wanted to cut it up and shred it and just make ties for another necklace, I can always do that with this necklace. It's so many options, you guys. I just wanted to show you that real quick. And I wanted to say that, let you know that I appreciate all of you who have subscribed to my channel. We are few, but yes, we are mighty. Yes, we are few but mighty, and I love you all. And I just get out there and find the fabric that you love and just try to do something with the fabric. When I picked up this shirt, it was mainly for a head wrap, but you see how I upscale the necklace. And I think I will do the next one. I don't know, another necklace or bracelets or something like that I want to create for myself. It's just fun for me, guys, crafting. And when I'm doing this, I'm listening to my Bible app, or either I'm listening to something that's encouraging me, or listening to you guys, or following you on YouTube. And if you are following me and you have a YouTube, make sure you put your channel in the comments so I can follow you as well. And I wanted to show you this little skirt that I bought. It was also $1. I bought it at the same time I bought the shirt because I love the print. And I will be upcycling this skirt as well. I don't even know what to do, you guys. If y'all have some suggestions what to upcycle this is for, let me know, because guess what? I could always make a pillow out of it. It's beautiful. I could always stretch it over canvas and make art out of it. Just open mind. Just pop in some suggestions and something that could be done. All right, you guys, until the next time, I appreciate you. Please like and subscribe to the channel so we can do more of these one-on-ones and these crafty things. Me, crafty. Okay, so until the next time, stay blessed and don't forget who you belong to, the Lord Jesus. All right, until the next time, bye for now.